What's going on, everybody? Marty here, and welcome to another live stream. Today we're going to be trying out Dyson Sphere program, and it looks pretty sweet. It's going to be like like a building type of game. We're going to maybe 4X a little bit, maybe some RTS. I don't know. It looks pretty cool. Civilization building based off of like trying to make a Dyson Sphere. And if you guys don't know what a Dyson Sphere is, watch Star Trek. Because that's the only reason I know what it is. Because an old Star Trek The Next Generation episode. But anyway, yeah, so it's a sphere that's built around a star. And all of the energy gets trapped, right? So the Dyson Sphere accumulates all of that energy from the star. And then you can use it. So anyway, that's the Dyson Sphere program. Pretty sweet, right? Yeah, so we're going to try it out. Let's go ahead and do... Should we look in settings? Nah, let's not. Let's just go to the new game. All right. Cluster Seed, what's up? Gaming in progress. How you doing? And welcome. Hope you're doing all right. Number of stars, 64. Resource multiplier 1 times. And we have a seed. All right. M type star, K type star, G, F, A, B, O. So all are different colors. I wonder if like the yellow would be like G-type, like what our sun is, you know. O-type neutron, white dwarf, black hole. Okay. What's up, Mrs. Mayo? Let's hit random a few times. There we go. So we can pick, cannot change starting system. Okay, so we are starting here at ETA at a Saley G-type star. Let's start the game and see what happens. How you guys doing today? How's your Sunday going?
Welcome to the actual universe. You may find it's different from our homeland. Should you be able to adapt to the laws of physics in a short time, I am your advisor and will help you through this mission.
Look at that. That looks pretty sweet. Don't stare directly at it.
Everything here is yours.
It's Saturday.
As one of Cosmo and the pioneer of the Dyson Sphere program, you will explore this cluster step by step. By using the resources here to construct the Dyson Sphere to provide energy for the center brain to maintain homeland, starting from scratch. I have chosen a designated planet for you to start the mission, which has necessary resources for initial development. Now please drive the space capsule to the planet.
Okay, I can aim it. It just looks like we just do have left and right. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't know how to... There we go. Pitch it down.
Now you are about to reach the designated planet.
All right, here we go. There's our designated planet. Sweet. Shoo. And we've landed. Okay.
This is Icarus, a lightweight industrial mecha with powerful functionality. You can use the arrow keys or right-click on the destination
it looks like
to control its movement.
Looks like Bumblebee.
In this mission, you will manipulate Icarus to travel beyond the stars and create miracles.
Okay. Background. What is a Dyson Sphere? I was hoping he would just read it.
The space capsule. Right-click on it to recycle.
Okay, we've right-clicked at it.
You can use the same operation to collect resources, such as trees, gravel, etc. In the meantime, hold down Shift and right-click to give a series of commands. You receive several items after recycling the space
nice,
capsule.
okay.
Click the inventory button in the lower right corner of the screen to open the cabin to view them.
technology tree, mecha panel, stats panel, replicator, inventory. So we've got hydrogen fuel rod, iron ingots, magnet, copper ingots, logs, and plant fuel. Got it.
You can hold down mouse middle button drag to rotate the angle of view, or slide the mouse wheel to zoom in and out.
Yeah, so if I hold it and look around, I can push forward, and he will just kind of move like MMO style. Nice. Okay, so we've got some rocks. Can I cancel those?
Yet you have not unlocked the construction menu, which will be done automatically when complete any technology research. Click the technology tree button at the bottom right of the screen.
Technology tree.
And activate a research.
All right, let's do that. Let's activate a research. Electromagnetism. We need 1,200 hashes. Okay. We have upgrades. Let's hit T to get out of this. There we go. You can hear it like in the background mining. It's like... No, I know I did say we were going to play Mad Games Tycoon, but maybe a little bit later we'll stop the stream, start the stream again with Mad Games Tycoon, try it out, depending on how this one goes. Because it's Saturday. We've got a long stream ahead of us. All right. So, I mean, I did that. Lack of research items. How do I get those then? Made in hand make. Okay. So T. So then it looks like we go replicator. Right here. Tier 2 stuff. And we needed like 10 of them, right? So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Produce. Alright, so that is being made. Mecha Core's energy is insufficient.
Energy is required in all mecha activities. If it is depleted, the activities will be restricted. You can click the mecha panel button at the bottom right of the screen to open the mecha panel and resupply fuel into the fuel chamber.
Alright, what is the fuel chamber? So plant fuel, that's fuel, right? Yeah, what other fuels do we have? Is this going to be fuel? Ordinary fuel. Stone. Tesla tower. Wind turbine. Okay. Build mining machine and veins coverage. Research result. Okay, we've got that. You unlocked a new automatic mining machine. Okay.
You have created a mining machine to achieve ore collecting automation. Pick it up from the inventory or select it on gathering of construction menu to build it.
Right there, is that it? Okay, so we just have to pick that up.
You can use the R key to rotate the mining machine for covering more veins. The more veins covered, the faster the ores will be gathered. If you want to ignore grid snapping, try holding down the shift key.
Oh, nice. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's pick that back up. So Q, or R, rotates it. So I got quite a few in there. There we go. Okay, so that's getting built. Now it looks like we're going to need some power. So we take the wind turbine. And makes sense. We'll just put that right there.
Wind turbine. You have established your first power grid. Not all power.
What's that?
facilities has its
Tesla
own
tower?
Use the Tesla tower to extend the area of the power grid.
Ah, okay, that's cool. I guess it wants me to use it, so let's put it down somewhere. See, it reminds me a little Factorio. We got our little guy, you know, that we do stuff with, and...
You have done building the first power transmission facility, Tesla Tower. It can carry out short-distance wireless power transmission and expand the power supply area of the power grid. Click on it to view the current power grid information.
100% satisfaction. Generation capacity, 300 kilowatts. Consumption demand, 24 kilowatts. Current generation, 24 kilowatts. What about you? Same. Oh, it's just the power grid as a whole. Mining machine is doing its thing. Okay. Okay. What now? So let's replicator, see what else we can build. Magnetic coil, gear. Okay, so very much like Factorial, right? Buildings. We've got some building stuff to do. Let's go into... Let's close that. Let's go into research. We got that. Okay. Automatic metallurgy. Basic assembly process. Basic logistics system. Let's activate that, I think. So we need circuits and gears. So 10 and 10. So let's get out of here. So we want to go to replicator. So circuits and gears. We can't really do anything because we don't have the required material. All right, so let's see if we can do metallurgy. No. How do we get this stuff? Unlocks electromagnetic matrix lab, automatic metallurgy, smelter, glass. Let's try that. NQ that. Can I remove that from the queue? No. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so T will get us out of there. So I got to figure out how we get into this. Okay, so that's what it's got. So let's move this stuff out. It went into our inventory. Okay, so we get stone from that. All right, so I'm guessing we're gonna have to go find other resources. So let's see what it takes to build the mining station right here. Okay, so we're gonna need 2 more of those, which we can't make right now. So I can probably just gather the stuff up by hand, right? Very cool. Yeah, very much like Factorio. That's pretty sweet, though. I like it. Replicator, components. Copper, we need that stuff. And for that, we need iron ore. So we got to go find some iron ore. Energy will deplete. Let's go to the mecha panel and give him some power. Or fuel. What's this? Oh, nice. He flies. Okay, there we go. Iron ore. All right, replicator right there. Oh, coal ore. Shit. I thought it said iron. Stone. Crude. Let's find out what that is. Oh, that was just a little chunk of stone. All right. So can I power up? All right, we got to find some iron. That is stone, it says. What about that? Titanium. That's more stone ore. Stone, stone, stone. Uh-oh. Let's chop some trees, get some fuel. Oh, wait, coal. What's the mecha button? C. That should last us for a little bit. Let's put the plant fuel in there, and let's put that in there too. It's just, it's always going. This game looks kind of cool, though. I think this might be fun. Just gotta find the right stuff here. I don't know if I'm ever going to be able to find my base again. Okay, there's some iron finally. There we go. It is a small... Maybe we're just giant. Maybe it's a normal sized planet and we're just giant. Alright, so... Let's go to F. We can make these now. Let's produce those. And this is going to take some of that. So let's get this in the queue. And then we're going to take these. Produce 10 of those. Then we're going to need to make these. So we're going to have to make 10 of these. All right, so we got a bunch of stuff we need to do. Oh, hydrogen. That might last for a while. Everything else is big. Yeah. All right, what do we have? 45. Let's get 50 and then 48 or 9, 50. All right, so we've got a bunch of those made. And then we should be going on the research. So, okay, so just to make sure, I don't have copper ingots, right? I just want to see if that goes down. No. So it looks like I just have to do the end item, right? So if I wanted to make one of these, I don't have any iron ingots, but I can click to produce one, and it'll make all the components. Okay, cool. That makes things easier. That way I don't have to straight go crazy doing all this, you know? All right, so our research is done. Automatic metallurgy. Okay, let's get some more research going. I want to get the logistics going, so we're going to need 9 of the gears. So let's go back to the replicator. So we need 9 of these. Let's go, that's 9. And we've already got, looks like 9 of the circuits. Alright, is that my base over there? The little dot right there? It might be. I'm not sure I like this day and night cycle though. Seems like it's dark an awful lot. Can I change some options and settings and make it a little brighter? No, it doesn't look like it. God mode. Oh wait, can I make this bigger? 1080 UI reference height. Did that just make it smaller? No, that should be 100. Gameplay, I think it did make it smaller. Yeah.
You have received the sorter and the conveyor belt, which can achieve full automation now. Use the conveyor belt to transport the piled up ores from the mining machine, and the sorter can deliver the ores from the conveyor belt to the smelter for automatic smelting.
And the sorter, okay. Use the conveyor belt from the mining machine and the sorter. All right. So we've got conveyor belt.
When putting a conveyor belt, all you need to do is determine the starting point and the end point of it. In addition, use the up arrow key to lift up one level, and use the down arrow key to drop down one level after the conveyor belt is lifted. Press keypad 0 to reset the construction height of the conveyor belt to the ground. If you don't want the conveyor belt to be attached to the building, you can try holding down the shift key.
Can I pick this up? I feel like I put this in the wrong spot here. Yeah, it's like totally in the wrong spot. Okay, you can now build conveyor belt logistics. Oh, okay, there we go. Yeah, I got this dang thing in the way. There we go. Oh, that's copy. Delete? No. Dismantle facility. Okay, so we got our turbine back. So that's good. So let's put the turbine like here. Okay, so let's go with the conveyor belt. And we want to get that here. Okay, so it moves all that stuff to there. We can put it in storage, but we don't have storage. So let's go to the replicator and see. Stone, glass, any buildings? Okay, so that would be under buildings. So storage, let's produce one of those. Smelter, we should probably build one of those. It requires quite a bit of stuff. All right, let's close that and let's go with the storage.
You built a storage, which can be used to store cargo. You can manually store or use the sorter to automatically stock the cargo.
Okay, then the sorter.
The sorter is a transportation connector of cargoes between facilities. It will automatically transport them as long as the supply facility and the receiving facility are bridged.
Oh, now we need power for that. Let's go back to power that, and are we powering all the stuff? Okay, so that's storing things. Okay, so the stone ore is going into that. Somehow that's not getting power now. No power, okay. So let's dismantle this. Power, Tesla. All right, there we go. So is this full? No, it's just... Got it. All right, so we got that storage. So let's try out some more stuff. Replicator. Let's go with a smelter. We've got one. All right, so let's get this coming out. Okay, so we need the sorter here. Okay. So then we need this. So that's going to pump stuff out, right? And then we can take this. We gotta put that one away.
You built a smelter,
And then we
which
take
can smelt basic materials, such as iron ingots and copper ingots automatically. While you want to make the raw materials and products get in and out of it autonomously, you need to use sorters and conveyor belts.
Okay. So is there like an easy way to make this? Let's do another wind turbine. Just trying to get the basics down, y'all. All right, so let's get this like right here. Okay, so that's doing that. We got the smelter. Select a recipe.
After selecting the recipe, you can use the less than key to copy the recipe and the greater than key to paste the next building that needs to set the same recipe.
Okay, so that is making stone from stone ore. So I probably don't even need the conveyors. I could probably just use one sorter straight to that. Unless, of course, we need stone elsewhere. All right, pretty sweet so far. What do you guys think? Look kind of cool? All right, very factorial. Very factorial, just 3D. All right, so let's build another mining machine. We've got some sorters. Let's amp up some of these too. Let's build like another. We get 3 per deal. Let's get 10 of those going. Sorters, let's just do one more of those. So I need to get some more of something. I'm not sure what we're missing out of this. So let's click that. We're going to be missing iron. Okay, so we want to go back to that iron. So maybe that would be a good thing. That is coal there. How we doing on fuel? We need to get some fuel going. There we go. There's a bunch of them that's going to get here. Okay, so no power. Replicator, buildings. Let's get a wind turbine. Oh no. All right, we might have to go back and steal a wind turbine. All right, so if we steal that, let's go ahead and get some stuff down here. I got 2 of these wind turbines. can get one here. It's powering that. Let's get the Tesla coil right here to power all that stuff. We good? That should be about full anyway, right? Alright, so that's full. Wait, which way? Which way do I go? Wait, is that coal over here? Is that the coal? I think that's what coal was, right? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, pretty much. Okay, so we've got that. I'm going to get power right there. I'm going to just go straight into... Can I do that? No, can't do that. We'll just grab. We got 50. All right, that's my emergency right there. All right, keep running. Good stuff. Coal veins. Stone veins. This game is sweet. I wonder if I can set like waypoints on this. That's the global map.
In the planet view mode, you can hold down the middle mouse button drag, rotate the angle of view, and hold down the right mouse button, drag to roll the angle of view. Press N key to point to the front to the North Pole. In the planet view mode, slide the mouse wheel to enter the star map mode.
Can I do waypoints? Oh, there we go. Nice. So that is the system we're in. So there's a ice planet. Oh, this is a moon. Okay, that's a moon that we're on. Of a planet. An ice giant, huh? G-type star. Arid desert. Lava. Planet lava. So it looks like I see 3 orbits. So this one is the arid desert. Unreachable. Require drive engine 2. Drive engine 2. Drive engine 2. Drive engine 2. Okay, so let's zoom in. How do I zoom back in? Uh-oh. Okay, just escape. Is this where I am? Yeah. Alright, that's kind of cool. I would like to be able to set a waypoint though. Coal, 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 stone. That's where my stuff is, right? Yep. Stone, coal, stone, 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 stone. What was that? Tegeta? I can pin it. There's Tegeta. I will always see Tegeta. Oh, look at that. You can see the different stars and stuff. No kidding. Different stars and systems. Cassiopeia. That is awesome. Alright, so we're gonna have quite a bit here. There we go, we've got 50. Star map. Click the thumbnail to view the planet view. You can also press M to enter golden, N to lock the camera. Dang it. Alright, now we just gotta find our way back. That would be coal. There's our stuff. Oh, actually, we should go to replicator. Let's produce one of those. What do we have for those? 20. Produce a whole bunch more of those. A wind turbine. Maybe one of these we can just have. A smelter. Looks like our queue is full. Oh wow, we're down to 1 iron. Alright, so we are headed back. We gotta go find that iron again. Copper. Coal. We got the Tesla tower. Yeah, I can't make one of those. Is that it? That was it. Alright, we're gonna set up some production of iron. Right there. Okay, and then we're gonna put it right into a smelter. Can I do that? And then I'd like to see if I can hit that. Choose a starting facility. Okay, so I can't pick that. All right. Let's harvest that then. That might have been too close. Okay, so I can't go directly to that. All right. But this I can. So one little collide with another object. Okay, so that goes to there. Let's give it some power. Okay. And then let's go back to the build. I want storage. So we're going to need iron and stone. Well, in the meantime, we can get iron ingots, right? At least 50 of them. And I think our home base is that way, right? What is your deal? I mean, it's working. That's not slowing down. Okay, can't really do anything right now. Oh, look at that. We get random things from these too. Still can't produce. Okay, we're missing copper then. Alright, where was that? Where was that copper? Oh, that's straight to iron. Okay. Only got one iron ore on me. Alright, that should be enough. So let's see if we can just grab off the conveyor belt. Doesn't look like it. Oh wait, yeah, I can. I gotta open the conveyor belt. And then just click on it. Alright, got it. Okay, replicator. We are buildings and undo storage. Let's create that. Wind turbine, let's produce that. Okay, so we've got our storage up. So now I can take this let's come out like one. Okay. There we go. We need that. Okay, so can we do storage straight to there? Bridge, too close. Okay, so that is storing those. Let's get another bit of power gen going. Maybe we'll do that there. So let's see if we can... Is it going to split? So if we come over here... Okay, so it is going to grab some stuff and put it in there. Okay, so then if I get another smelter, put it here. And then we want to replicate and build one of these. Take there and go to that. And then we're going to go with this, and we're going to create these. And then let's build another storage. And that storage can go there. And let's build another one of these. How far will that reach? Too far. So let's grab... okay, we can't hook that to there. So let's just put that in the middle. So we got to go here to there. Build another one. And then here to there. And then we've got the Tesla coil. So let's get that guy like right there. That should power all the stuff. All that we need. So now we're building up these. We're building up those. Perfect. Upgrades. Ooh, what's this? Interesting. Improve the mecha core and increase upper limit of mecha core energy. Universe exploration. We can do that. Let's go back to technology. So we're going to do this, and we're going to need some parts for that. Okay. Components. All right, why don't we start actually automating that stuff? All right, let's grab like a stack of these. Let's grab a stack of those. And then let's go find that copper. We'll get a little production system going over here. So we want to build a miner. I'm going to build storage. If we already got one smelter, we're going to need a couple of these. We're going to need a little bit more power. Maybe another Tesla coil. Alright, all the stuff is queued up. We want to build this. Okay, that's going there. Which we did last time. We had conveyor belt coming a couple out, right? Let's get it online with there. Alright, that's going that way. We're going to need some power. Let's build both of these. We'll get one down here too. Okay, so that's going to go there into the smelter. And then from that, we're going to have this putting stuff in. We're going to have this creating copper ingots. And then that's going to go into this, which we had to do it, what, this far away? Something like that. So that can go here to there. Okay, now we're storing copper ingots. We're storing all that stuff. So let's take a look at this. So if we wanted to build these things, we need 2 of these and 1 copper ingot. 2 magnets, 1 copper ingot. All right. So let's go. Let's get some conveyors going here. Something like right here. All right, do I have to be in range of this stuff? Yep. All right, so that's going to come out to that. That's going to go to there. All right, so we're going to load up on a bunch of stuff here. So then this, I've only got 2 left. Let's build a few more. Okay, let's look in our technology replicator. It's just a smelter. We need like an automatic basic assembling, right? This does the assembling machine. Let's queue that up. So that's going to be there. So let's get rid of all of that stuff and go straight to this. So that's going to be the one that we want. So we need some gears, ingots, and circuit boards. I should have, I've got enough of those. We need to make some of these. How many of these? 10 of them. And then circuit boards. We need 9. There we go. Why am I building so many? Okay, so that's going up. All right, basic assembling. Perfect. All right, right there. Replicator. Building. So does it give me one? It does. Can process iron and copper ingot to more advanced products, but speed will be slightly slower. All right, so let's go. Let's put that like here. And then we'll take this starting point right there into that. Let's get this starting position here and go to that. So then we can go here to that. All right, so that's pumping that stuff into there. And I think I got one more left, right? I lack an item. All right. One of those. All right, so that will grab power from there. Might not be enough, but let's tell it what to make. Let's make these. Nice. All right, so we're creating those. Good. That sucks, Anik. Lost a final today, kind of sad. Yeah. Are you done? Is it like double elimination or anything, or do you still have another chance? So we got 14 of those. Let's go ahead and get these out to... Wait, can I do straight to storage? Oops, I keep wanting to do technology tree. Let's go replicator, storage, produce one. All right, so we've got our storage. What is that under? Just storage. Let's go to there. Let's go to logistics. Produce one of those. All right, yeah, we can go straight to storage from that. However, that doesn't have power, does it? It should. Yep, okay, so that's working. So shift left click. I don't understand it. Control left click? Huh. Alright, so we've got that being made. Let's go here. Oops. Let's get some more power going. Can I just like plant a bunch of these things nearby? Yeah, that one's linked up to there. That one's linked up to there. So there's our power grid. Hopefully that's enough, right? So I should have another Tesla tower. So let's link both of these up. So they're all sharing this crazy power. Final for a title, and you're not player, just a fan. You watch from TV. Oh, okay. I thought you meant like school thing. Okay, so that's producing that stuff. So what else? What are the other things that I need, basically for stuff? So the circuit boards. Let's automate circuit boards then. So circuit boards are built like so. We need those same iron ingots and copper ingots, and that's it. So iron ingots are here, copper ingots are here. So we're gonna have to take some iron ingots, and I wonder if there's... Okay, here's my idea. Let's go logistics. Let's see, starting position. We can go here. We're gonna build this like all the way down here. Let's build, what do we get per recipe? Just one? Let's go 3 of these. going to take you and put you on here. Okay, so that's bringing those down this way. And then if we built... I want to move this one. Power. That was a wind generator, wasn't it? We'll put you there. Okay, so let's build an assembling machine. There it goes. All right, assembling machine to there. Okay, one of these. Ooh. All right, let's go another one of these then. Oh, okay. Angle too wide. So let's move this thing back then. And then we're going to make those. And then we're going to make storage. And we're going to make one of these. Oh. Well, you're making them, right? Produce one of those. We got storage. Slap you right there. That might be too close, but we'll see. Nope. All right, good. All right. So now we have these things and these things being auto-crafted. So now we can jam on some research really easy, right? Let's activate that. That is very cool, guys. Take some more of those things. It's producing them pretty quick now. Electromagnet research. All right, so what is this? Centrobrain's connector used to produce matrices and research technologies. The more the matrix labs, the faster the production and research speed. Okay. Fluid storage encapsulation. High efficiency plasma control. Ooh, light beams. Okay, what else we got here? Electromagnetic drive. That takes those. 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 All right, so now everything seems to make those things. Okay. What about upgrades? That takes those. And that takes those. Let's get that going. So we just need like 20 of each. Yeah, I like this game. It's so much like Factorio, but 3D. That's sweet. Very cool. Hope you guys are enjoying the stream. Thank you all so much for all the likes, guys. If you haven't already and you like the gameplay and want to check out more games that I play on my live streams, I do it 3 times a week, sometimes 4. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It would be much appreciated. And if you really want to guarantee that 4th stream, hit the join button down below. You become part of the G Club, which will give you access to members-only streams. It'll give you access to the Discord server, special channels. It'll also give you access to Minecraft server, a Vintage Story server, and whatever else I decide we come up with later on. All right. We've increased the max storage on that. Power, mech panel. I don't have really any power right now, so we got to go find some coal or something. But we've got all that stuff being made, so that's awesome. So next up, let's go with the replicator and check out this thing. We've already got the Matrix Lab. So we gotta, I just want to place this down wherever and see what we do.
Use it to make super matrices or research technologies that require them to unlock. The super matrices are the source code of the center brain for maintaining the home world. You could upload as many super matrices to the center brain as possible. You can be benefit to unlock more actual world technologies by operating the home world simultaneously.
All right, we have research. Let's go back. Matrix. So we can create these, right? Is to produce matrix. Okay. So, I guess that's fine that it's right there. Let's go ahead and build the Tesla Tower. Produce one of those with all the materials I have on hand. All right, let's get the Tesla Tower. Right there's a good spot. Okay, so let's go with some more of these. Let's build like 10 more of those. So we're gonna go take this one, go to there. We're gonna take this one and go to there. I'm gonna take this, go to there. This, go to there. And we need 2 more of these. You take that to there. That to there. So now we need to produce those. Okay, so we are definitely producing those. We've got 3 of them. 4 of them. Okay, so let's get our storage going here. Produce 1 of those. Let's go back to that. Produce 2 of those. Sure. Okay, and then we can put this like here. We can move this down here. Let's do that. We'll put that like there. We'll take this and go here. And then we'll take that and start here, put it onto that, and into there. So now we're storing up those. Let's go find some coal. Well, actually, let's not. I think we'll be all right. Organic crystal, huh? That should keep us fueled for a little bit. All right, so now we are mass producing these things. 33 of those. Let's start knocking out some of this research. Or upgrades, rather. All right, that took those. Let's do that. Able to view veins distribution on the planet. All right, that's good information to have, right? This one we've already got done. That is... Okay, that needs red. So mechanical frame. That needs 60 electric motors. That needs a whole bunch of different stuff. Okay, communication control. Stable communication network can allow the mecha to control more construction drones. Nice. Energy circuit. Okay, that is drone engine. Drone engine increased flight speed. Drive engine.
Now you can click the details display button in the lower right corner of the screen.
Let's go to
open
technologies.
real-time distribution details of the ore veins.
Nice. Fluid encapsulation, high efficiency plasma control, electromagnetic drive. Let's create that. All right, so there's this. Let's queue up that. Let's queue up that. And smelting production. That's that. What else? Okay, that is steel smelting. And this is improved logistics. So we've got a bunch of stuff queued up. We just need to start gathering up all this stuff. So what does this button do? Oh, it sorts it. Okay. Okay, what do I need to do to speed this up? I wonder if there's anything I can do. Or maybe I do another one. We get a couple of them going. Which I should have had this going in a line, then having that next to it so it pulls off, and then that can continue. That would be the good Factorio way to do it, wouldn't it? But I like it so far, guys. This is a really cool game. It's just early access, too, so I'm sure there's going to be a lot of stuff coming. Let's try that. Let's get it making a bit more. Alright, so go X. Dismantle that one. Let's go replicator. We wanted this, right? Let's produce one more of those. Let's just produce 2 of them. We'll get this all set up. It'll be sweet. Alright, so then we can get this one. We'll get one of them here. One of them here. And one of them here. Okay. And then we want electricity. So let's go test the coil. Or test the tower. So that we can put here. So that's creating that. All right, we're going to need a lot of these. So we're going to come all the way down to here. I'm going to take this one. Okay, lack of items, so let's create some more. Oh, it's doing all of them first. There we go. All right, so these can go all the way down to there. And then hopefully this will all reach. Oh, look at that. I need like one more. Can't create any. But I need iron and gears. Okay, so we're gonna need a few of these. So this one, from here in, from here in, from here. Oh, it's too far. Crap. Okay, so maybe I can do like. Okay, how are we gonna do this? Okay, so let's do this. Let's dismantle all this. And dismantle that. Okay, so starting position. Now is this gonna be too close though? If we go that way. Right there. Output to there. Okay. So next up, we need a conveyor. All right, maybe we do like a few more. And then let's see if I can grab from here to there. And then we'll just dismantle those. All right, so let's produce those. Let's produce those. Let's produce those. It looks like it's working. Oh. Oops, I just made 6. And put those away. Well, by golly, I think we got a production chain making our first science points. It's producing faster than we can move them. So let's go a couple more of these. Or one more. Let's get another one of these going. Can I do that? Is that in the way? Yeah, that's in the way. All right, so let's get rid of this then. And let's go a couple down. And then let's put that there. To there. Oh, nice. Manual research, so that's all getting done. High efficiency plasma control. This is sweet. Okay. Settings. I need to make this 1080. I change anything on the stream? I think it still looks alright. They just changed the size of the UI, didn't it? That's about it. Settings. Gameplay. Let's try that. Yeah, a little bit bigger looks good, especially for streaming, right? Okay, now I think I could probably dismantle one of these. I think it'll keep up now. Yeah, looks like it. Dude, we're getting a lot of those. Nice. All right, let's go to the research screen. So we are just like jamming through this stuff. Oh, we need to queue up that one. So that's another just basic, whatever it is. We got that one queued up, right? That one's done. Oh, that one's done. What's this one? This, let's queue that. Queue that. We're just gonna start hitting all these things. Queue that. Queue it all, baby. Okay, that one needs red. We can't do that. So I'm just gonna knock out all of the stuff that uses like just the basic. You know, and we can get all that stuff knocked out. Upgrades. So he's gonna need some different things. That needs red. That needs that. Queue is full. What does that do? View ore reserves of local planetary system. All right, so I think we can automate the research too. Like it looked like it. If we change this one, let's go back. Research mode. So do we do these? Like, let's say I wanted to research that. Lack of matrices. So that requires these things. What if I pumped in some of those to that? If it would automatically do research. I mean, it's so easy to just remove these things anyway, so I should start automaking conveyor belts too. Alright, so there's that. Remote transmission facility. Oh, that's cool. Wireless power. Let's produce one of those. Them's cool. Them's cool. Let's get one of those here. Let's get one of these, let's get one of these here. So I should just need to walk by it and it'll charge me.
You built a wireless power tower, which is
The
suitable
power
for
tower.
long-distance power transmission caused by its longer connection distance. What's exciting is that it can also charge mecha by using electricity from the grid.
Lack of fuel. Oh. Now why is that not charged or powered? There's like little blue things just going everywhere. Doot, 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 doot. Okay. So does that speed up? Okay, so that's manual research. And that's speeding up things. Improve logistics system. What are we doing here? What are we actually on? That one. So is that going to change? Is this going to change? Oh my goodness. So once this gets done, see, I need 31 of 19. How many are in here? 10? So it can only store 10. Four, 3, 2. Okay, so that finished. Okay, so is it going... Okay, sweet. So if we have one doing this, it just speeds it up a little bit. I got 2 creating the matrices and 1 doing my research. Oh, that's sweet. Please refuel. So it's giving me this. Lack of fuel. All right, guys, I like it. I like the game. Thermal power station. Nice. Let's see. How do we make you? Where is that? Right here. Let's make one of those. Oh, we have some Mark II sorters. A splitter. Storage tank, that's for fluid. Plasma exciter. Can also be used to make wireless power. Okay. Thermal power station. Oh, I didn't need to do that. All right, so where's the best place to put these? Does it really matter? Let's just slap it right there. Let's slap.
A thermal power station. Such power facilities need to consume chemical energy fuels. If you wanted to generate continuous and stable power, you need to ensure a sufficient fuel supply at all times.
All right, so we need to get some fuel going in this thing. So what type of fuel? Is it going to take the oil? I'm sure it takes the oil, right? So we've got the thermals. And I remember seeing like some oil thing somewhere. Were they over here? Let's chop down some of these trees here. We'll fill up the fuel hopper. I feel like I saw it around here somewhere. It was close by. Okay, crude oil is what we're looking for. How do I see it? Okay, maybe I don't like that. I just have to find it. Alright, let's see. Auto saving. Alright, we should grab some coal too while we're at it, right? Oh, maybe coal. Coal would be the good fuel, right? Probably. Yeah, let's grab some coal. I'm sure if we take coal and bring it over there, we'd be alright. Lack of material. What am I missing? Let's go grab some of our end product stuff. Smelting, purification. Alright, what do we got here? Let's grab some of these just in case. Actually, I should have grabbed it from there. Some of these, grab from there. Alright, now we should be able to build everything we need to build. See, what's the best way to get as much of these as possible? That's 4, 5, 6. 6. Alright, that looks pretty good. Let's get some power over here. So is that the same? I don't know. Let's build a couple of these. Alright, so we got 5 of those. Let's transfer some power this away. Alright, let's get these built. We'll start just moving the coal over. I don't know why I'm really doing that. Why don't I just, because, like, the grid's the grid, right? You know? It's not really... Man, it's got some range, doesn't it? So if we got these, we rotate and rotate. Okay, we got these things being built. Let's finish them off over here. Little drones. Alright, is it working? Okay, no connection. Oh. Alright, we're generating some power now. With the coal, right? Are you hooked to anything? Okay, you're hooked to that. You're hooked to that. So let's go... Alright, so you're hooked to that. And that one's hooked to that. That one's hooked to that. Okay, we're no longer hooked to this then. Oh, that one's hooked straight to the power. Okay. Kind of don't like that. Let's pull that one away. And let's rebuild. If we're gonna build a grid, might as well be shaped like a grid. All 90-degree angles. Look how it's got like curvature. It's crazy. All right. So I can probably dismantle that. And let's go with the Tesla tower. Let's get you like everything working again. Let's switch to one of these. I like it. See, the only thing I don't like here... Oh, I see. They're all connected like that. That one's connected to that one, to that one, to that one, and so on. Let's get you there. Let's get you there. That one might be a little wrong. There we go. All right, so you. All right, so if I click on that, how's our grid looking? 13.2 megawatts. Everything should be the same no matter where I look. 13.2. Everything is interconnected. 13.2. 13.2. All right, so we look good. And we're creating a large amount of these. Holy crap. No power? Oh. So we need to get a nice setup of power here. I'm going to get one here. And then we're going to get one in between these two. And then I'm going to dismantle that and that. Everything should be powered. It all looks good. All right, let's see what else. Oh, I did want to look at that. So it doesn't show that we can make other stuff yet, like the other things. Technology tree. All right, steel smelting, plasma, accelerant. So what was the one that allowed me to make that stuff? Was it this one? Unlocks that, yep. That is the main quest. Okay, star collection. Then it moves to that. So star collection, let us make solar panels. Crystal smelting. Unlocks what? Oh, really? Okay. Interplanetary logistics? Dude, that'll be sweet. Have like all these production things going up on a bunch of different planets? What is Accelerant Mark 1? Alright, where do I unlock the red? Or did I already? I couldn't have. So the main quest right here, I unlock the blue. Go to Star Collection, I unlock that. And then that needs these to do that, but where do I unlock those? Energy storage. I mean, that requires that and that. Interstellar power transmission. Nope. Okay. That needs that. Just kind of like following this this line here. Titanium. Environment modification. Yeah. Okay. So we got that one. Deuterium. Nope, that requires red. We go here. It does not either. Plasma. It's that stuff. The next would be that. Nope, that requires red as well. Is that a cross here? Like, do I need that and that branches off? Energy matrix right there. So that'll show us how to make the red. So with that, we need those pellets, which would be under here, right? So these are made with coal. Coal and water, it looks like. Okay. Dude, there's so much. This is sweet tree. This is a sweet tree. All right, so research, matrix lab, production, that storage. We have the storage tank here. Okay, logistics. We have that. Replicator. So if we've got that tank, we've got this, right? So how do we pump stuff into it? That's what we need to know here. A water pump. Can collect sulfuric acid from the sulfuric acid ocean. Is this the sulfuric acid ocean? Uh-oh, what are we doing? No power. Okay. No, let's get the power going then. Power is back on. Oh, the pole's got to be up here then. See how the lines all converge? It would make a great day. Definitely, you might get a little burnt. Yeah, there's one of the poles. Okay, crude oil seep. There's that. So if we go to gathering. Okay, so we're going to need to make this. There's my factory stuff. Look at all that beautiful factoryness. Alright, so to make this, make those, we need gears and ingots. Do I have auto crafting of the gears going? I don't think so. I just got those. So what are the gears? We should auto craft those too. Iron ingots. Alright, that's pretty good. Alright, so let's auto-craft those. Power. Nope, not smelter. We need this. Assembling machine, right? That's the right one? Yeah. So we're gonna need to make electric motors. Oh man. Oh man. I see all this and I'm like, we need to like rebuild this whole production. Rebuild it all. All right, guys. Before we get into that, I'm going to see if I can save this. Save the game. All right, let's go. LiveStream 1. Let's save that. I'm going to end the stream right here. And then we're gonna hop into a different game. But I want to have a specific separate stream. So if you want to hang out, I don't know if you can just stay here and it'll kick back on when I start the other game up. But we're gonna be playing Mad Games Tycoon 2. And it is another like software engineering kind of simulator game. But I had a lot of fun playing this. Factorio in 3 dimensions. Very cool. And I don't know, depending on the response from this, if you guys like it, if you want to see more, then let me know, because I like it. I think it's really neat. I wouldn't mind playing some more of it, so just let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment in below, or just let me know right now, or let me know when we start the other stream. But we're going to call this one quits, and then I will be back and give me about 10-minute break or so. All right, guys? Thanks for hanging out. I appreciate it. And I'll talk to you in a few.